set my thing too, you know. Cool.
Yeah, but I can barely see right now.
Yeah. Back to anything, right? Just hold straight.
Oh, dude, you can barely see that target.
Yeah.
It's like right above the grass.
Just missed it, dude.
Well then, yeah, okay. Let me go like this.
But keep that.
Boom.
You see that little green, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little tiny little green bush. See that brown, just so you know where you're hitting, look through your scope.
Okay, hang on.
Show you really awesome. You see that brown patch that plate's sitting like right in front of?
Yeah.
You hit at the very, like, and there's a little tiny green bush, like up and to the right a little bit. Okay. Or like just right of the, you basically hit above that brown patch. There's like a big brown patch at the plate, and there's another brown patch above it. You kind of hit about,
So I was way
what
high
it looked
then.
like to be about 6 inches high. So kind
Alright, here we go. Let's try this real quick. Last one.
because that one was a little high.
Last one.
Yep.
There it is. And it's done.
That's your target.
Low and a touch left.
All right. Yeah, I'm like, I see like the faint outline, and I'm aiming at like grass where I kind of like, so I aimed like low in the grass. So I think the truck will be better.
Yeah.
You don't go 2 for 2. You won't. You won't go one magazine. How many can you hold in there?
3.
3, 1 in the tube, Cody. You have 4 shots to kill both targets. 1 dead.
I like that. Dude. Alright. Let's see if I can do this.
You hit right.
Hold more left.
Picked up downrange a little bit.
Looks like a 3 to 5, dude.
Re-engage.
Hey, heat waves are at a 45, dude. Looks like a 3 to 5.
It is a 3 to 5 now. You got 3 to 5. Hold off the target, half M away, and come up a half M away.
All right.
You're right there. Oh, that just missed, dude. You're right there. I mean, your height looks good. Your left to right looks good. I think you're right there, man.
Your left for sure. Height look pretty good. All right. How far left, you know? Yeah, pretty. It looks like you're like a foot or more. All right. So I'll just go straight at it.
How far left, Austin?
Looks like a foot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe just hold dead. From my angle, I can't. It looks like he's like in the triangle from my angle.
All right, I'm gonna hold dead on it. Just hold dead on it, and let me see where you hit. Go ahead.
Is that right?
It looked like you were just like your dust was right behind the target. Yeah. Right here. why we said.
That'll get your bicep will get in shape. Well, I like to carry a lot like this, dude. You start.
I've been doing squats just because I know I have to carry that thing.
Oh yeah, dude.
I like to carry it like military style, dude.
I do too. I prefer it. I don't like slings anymore.
Well, I mean like across your arms, like like that. Yeah. But it's not good if you fall.
No, it's not good if you have to like put it like strap it back and have two hands like. Sweet.
I'll just shoot from the truck, I guess.
Yeah, no, that's what this is. The flight path of the parabola that the bullet's going on.
Hey, we're at 79 degrees.
Yeah, what's the barrel?
29.72.
Perfect.
So make sure you put that in your calc.
I will. But I shoot kind of weird, so I don't. Hey, you know what this is, Cody? It's the grease in your scope.
Is it?
Yeah, I've seen this on another scope before, and they had to send it in.
No, that's not water, dude.
I think it's just grease, like like inside there's a grease mechanism.
Yeah.
Can you see it from there? Yeah, if you look at like, I've seen that. I had a buddy that had like a couple dots, and that's what it was.
Well, that's shitty time to have to send it back.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Just deal with it.
I wouldn't. I mean, it's perfectly clear. Just annoying. Me and Cody are both in agreement. Everything we saw is like, it's like literally like, you're like right here somewhere.
Yeah.
You just don't know where it is.
Yeah.
Is it a little bit of wind one time? Did the wind, you know what I mean? Did you miss just right because, so.